Welcome class. Today we are going to see lesson number 9 Heat of class 7. In last video you have learned about the relationship between the density and convection, and also you have learned about the radiation. You also see the information about the wonder of science. Now today we are going to see the another activities which is given on the page number 61. Apparatus: two aluminum tin of the same size, two small glasses, water, thermometer, black paint, etc. Process: paint the outer surface of one tin with black paint and let it dry. Then in both tin place one glass each full with water at the same temperature. Cover the tin with the lid. Keep them in the sun for 2 hours. Now measure the temperature of the water in the glasses in the two tin. What is the reason for the difference in the temperature? You see that one tin was color black and it was placed in the sunlight. Then in both the tin, paint the outer surface of one tin with the black and let it dry. Then in both the tin place one glass each filled with water at same temperature. So there is a two tin. One is color with the black and other is put as it is. What will happen? Can you guess the answer? What is the reason behind them? What is the temperature of difference in the temperature? Because a black color absorb a radiation of heat, that is sun rays. So whatever kept in the black tin, the temperature of it will be the higher than the other. Now let us see good and bad conductors of it. Place a steel spoon, a copper strip or rod, a divider from your compass box, a pencil and the plastic rubber in a glass beaker. Pour hot water heated up to 60 to 70 degrees Celsius into the beaker. Wait for a while. Then touch the outer end of each of the object. Record your observation in the table below. Now, where there is given object, you should write there steel spoon, a copper strip, divider, etc. And you do it practically and see that which you feel very hot, warm, as cold as the atmosphere. It is your homework. You should carry it out. What inference will you draw from this? Some substances are good conductor of heat, while some are bad conductor of heat. Heat is easily conducted through the copper strip or a pot, but not through the plastic or a wood. We can hold a glass timber, a china cup full of hot tea easily in our hand, but not so a steel or copper cup if the same tea is poured into them. Why this difference is there? Because some these all mostly all the metals are good conductor of heat. When you pour a tea in the steel or copper cup, it heat transfer very fast through it, but in the china clay it does not pass. Heat does not pass so fast as compared to the steel or copper. There is the difference between the temperature, and we are not able to drink a tea in the copper cup or the steel. Now use your brain power. Why do we use white clothes in the summer and dark and black clothes in the winter? You think it, you will know the answer. Try to find it. In the next video, we will explain its answer. Now let us see about the expansion and contraction of the soil substance due to heat. So let us see about it. Apparatus: Let us try this ring, a metal ring, a metal ball, a burner, etc. Activity number 1. So, activity is that take a metal ring and the metal ball of such a side that ball just passes through the ring. Hit the ball and check whether it passes through the ring. Now let the ball cool down and check whether it passed through the ring. The above experiment tells us that metal expand on heating and contract on cooling. Soil expand due to heat and come back to the original state if heat is removed. However, the extent to which a different soil expand is different. So in first see that before hitting the ball completely come out of it, that is it pass through the ring, whereas after heating it does not pass through the ring. Why this happen? Because on heating a ball expand. So expansion and the contraction of the solid substance is shown in above practical. When it will be cool, it will pass through that ring. Now page number 62. Why is there a gap at the joint of rails and of the cement concrete bridge? See that, use your brain power. There is gap. You have already learned about that the on heating a solid expand. So this iron when when a train is passing through the rail, it due to the friction the rail get expanded, and so if there is no gap in it, it will overlap to it, and so there is a little gap left behind it. And a cement concrete bridge, you see the same reason for it, and we will discuss in more detail in next video. Now we will see about the expansion and contraction of liquid due to heat. Apparatus: 500 ml conical flask, 2-hole rubber topper, glass tube, measuring ruler, thermometer stand, wire gauge, burner, graph paper, etc. See that in figure there is given a conical flask, water stand, thermometer. Observe it carefully and see what is. Now let us see how we proceed for the practical. Fill the conical flask completely with the water. See that your conical flask should be completely filled with water. Insert the glass tube and the thermometer in the 2-hole of the topper and fit it to the conical flask. Heat the water and with the help of ruler record the water level in the glass tube. After every 2-degree rise in temperature, take about 10 reading. Observe what happens when heat is stopped. Draw a graph to show that change in water level as the temperature rise. When the liquid is heated, the distance between its particle increase and its volume too increases. This is called the expansion of liquid. When its temperature falls, the liquid contracts. That you will see that a thermometer reading there. When you will heat, a thermometer reading will be also go up, and you will see that in the glass tube the water rise up. When you take burner away from it, again water will come to the original position. In this way, we see that expansion and the contraction of liquid take place. So when the liquid is heated, the distance between its particle increases and its volume too increases. This is called the expansion of liquid. When its temperature falls, the liquid contracts. Now expansion and contraction of gas due to the heat. Glass bottle, balloon, hot water, etc. are the apparatus used. Now what is process? Fix a balloon on the mouth of the glass bottle. Hold this bottle in the hot water. What happens? The volume of the gas increase on heating. This is called expansion of gas. On the other hand, on removing the heat, the volume of the gas decreases. This is called as contraction of gas. Now see, when you heat it, the volume of the gas is increases, and when you take away from the hot water, the volume of it decreases. In this way, we have seen about the expansion and contraction of gas due to heat. Now let us see about the thermoflask due or flask. You might have seen a thermoflask used for keeping tea, coffee, milk, etc. hot or the sharbat cool for a long time. What is its structure and how does it function? There is a double wall flask. It consists of two glass tubes, one inside the other with the gap between them sealed. The surface of both the tubes are made shiny by a silver coating. The air between the two tubes is removed to create a vacuum. There is a protective jar of metal or a plastic outside the tube for the protection of the flask. Pieces of foam or rubber are fixed between the outer jars and the flask. You may see this in the picture given. Now let us see about the function of the thermoflask. When a hot substance is placed in the thermoflask, the heat going out gets reflected due to the shining surface of the inner tube. Hence it is not radiated. Neither conduction nor the convection of the heat occur because of the vacuum. As a result, heat is not transferred to the outer cooler region and is retained inside the long time. Still, a little heat is lost from around the lid and by the small amount of conduction through the glass. Therefore, the hot substance do not remain as hot after 2 or 3 hours. Why? Because when you are opening the lid of it, a small gap may be remain there, and due to that, it become a cool. So while using it, you should be careful that its lid should be packed. Observe the diagram properly and sketch this diagram in your notebook. What is mean by thermoware? Find out find out its answer and send it on the group. Until that, thank you.